Shut up and sit down.
What is going on, guys? Radix Clan Gaming here. Welcome back to another video. And today, this is the most insane thing ever. So today we're going to be freaking putting an egg in the microwave, but don't worry, there's water. So we're going to be boiling an egg. And my sink is like the hottest sink ever. We've been running this for like 2 minutes. And it's the egg in the freaking water is literally boiling. It's cracking. See it cracking. There's a crack right there. Hold on, turn the light on. Just turn the light on. The bottom one. Right there, it's freaking cracking. Right there, that is insane. Oh, dude, it's freaking bubbling. Take it out.
Don't take it out, leave it in there.
Oh, it wasn't boiling at all, dude. I thought it was boiling.
I don't know why you freaking broke it. You dummy. Goofball. Now wash your hands off.
Guys, this is egg
off.
soup.
You're an idiot, dude. The shell can't go down the drain.
Yes, it can. If I use this. You're such a retard. Okay, I'll use the hot water. Okay. Ah! It freaking burns, dude. But anyway, I guess we gotta put a new egg in there. Brock.
No, we can't keep on wasting eggs. Dude.
Okay, just one more.
No, just let's try to use your experiment thing. Alright.
Hold on. I gotta dry my hands real quick. Alright, so we're heading over to the trash can to wipe that down. And we'll bam! 2 minutes!
No, that's 2 o'clock.
5 minutes. 1:58. 1:58.
Alright, here, opening up the microwave.
Opening up the microwave. We set that right there.
Hope it don't blow up.
Hope we don't blow up the microwave. Right. Oh no, wait. Hold on, should I like set this right here? Okay, right there.
Start the mic.
We're gonna start the mic. Bam. Alright, guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna come back to you when this is done. We're just gonna wait right here.
Alright.
The video could cut out in the middle. Oh, that's what it is. We legit just woke up, guys, so, like, we didn't wake up at, like, I didn't wake up at, like, 9, 8, something in the morning. No, I literally just woke up.
No. You gonna stop the mic and see what it's now?
No, 5 minutes, all the way.
What a big one.
Ooh. That will catch it on video. Wait, did you hear that? Did you?
Take it.
Alright, as soon as I check. So.
Here, I'm about to stop it.
No.
5, 4,
No.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, 2:30 stop. Red hot chili pepper. it out right now. Oh, snap, sorry, microphone fix. It is boiling. It is, we gotta... Bro, you can't touch that, dude, that's gonna be hot.
Holy crap!
You're such a retard. Alright, so we gotta leave it out. Frick. Alright, that was weird. Alright, so it's now 2:02. 5 minutes we put that thing in the microwave. I'm joking. Look at the egg. It's boiling. Now we just gotta wait for it to boil. Hey, dude, that is hot! That's like our sink water, bro.
It was in the mic for 3 minutes. I have to put it back in there.
Put more water.
Because I dumped it out.
I'm like an idiot.
Alright. Hold on, put it back in. Restart the timer.
Well, no, we're just gonna keep it. No, it's 2:40. 2:47. We gotta
Put it on for 10 minutes.
No, dude, it would pop. No, we're starting it back where it was. Imagine if you just were right there, I would be gone. Boom. The last video got 4 views. Guys, we need to up that. Okay, 15 views, prank talk back. In total views altogether on my videos, bro, all my videos together, how many views do I have? 1,600.
Alright, it is done. Come on.
No.
The microwave is
smoking.
no, it ain't.
Like the usual.
We put it in there and the egg is cracked.
Oh, it's freaking cracked. It shrunk.
The egg shrunk, dude.
The egg shrunk. Let's put it in there for 5 more minutes.
Yeah, and it's gonna blow up. It's
No,
like
we ain't gonna. No, what are you doing? You got an
Watch.
issue.
Add minute, add minute, add minute, add minute, add minute.
Here we go. Add minute. No.
And no more.
No, wait. Add minute. Here we go. 99999. Start it. There we go, guys. You ready? I'm freaking joking. Don't do that. No, come on. We're actually gonna take it out now.
No, not yet.
You want it to explode?
Yeah. Add minute, add minute, add minute.
3 minutes?
Yeah. 3 minutes.
3 minutes? Okay. You want it to explode?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude, you have it! Let's go! Dude, we could all die! I would stay back. Stay back, Rock! I can't do this! Rock, you gotta take it out so you can actually pour it. It's about to explode!
Alright, we're gonna stop it.
Stop it!
Oh my
my God.
gosh, it is so, it's bubbling so much. It blew up in my face, dude. I think I got cells in my eyes.
Guys, I can't believe. I'm gonna puke.
The egg's on the counter. It was actually foil.
Okay.
The egg was foil, dude.
Okay. Really? The egg was freaking. It got all over my phone. It blew up in our face.
Oh my god, I can't breathe.
Bro, it broke the microwave. It legit broke the spinny thing.
Did it really?
Yeah.
It stinks so bad. It blew up. I opened it. I was like, right here, dude. It blew up.
Alright, guys. This is the aftermath. Alright, Rock, move your butt. It's time to clean. Now. Oh my god. Bro, the egg was boiled.
Yeah, no. We can eat it, dude. You won't take a bite.
I won't.
You can eat
Dude,
it.
it literally turned into freaking. Look. Here you go, Creed.
No, no, croak. You need to clean up. You need to clean up the mic.
You're cleaning it out too.
No, I'm not.
You're the one who wanted to put it on for 10 more minutes.
Get a washcloth.
No. Our whole freaking thing would be ruined. I can't believe it literally.
Here,
Oh.
I ain't doing that. I'll puke everywhere.
That's good eating.
Here. That's hilarious, dude. Oh my god, I can't breathe. You know we could have blew up the house.
No, that was a freaking egg. Cool. Get a washcloth.
Hurry up.
Get a washcloth.
Where
Go
are
ahead.
they at?
Go
Oh,
over
they're
there.
at. Dad and them are going to get home anytime soon. It's 2:11.
This is insane. The freaking egg exploded in the microwave. Oh my god. Don't lick that! That's nasty! Dumb dog.
Then we need to throw these down the stairs.
Oh my god!
What?
It freaking exploded the paper off the microwave.
Did it really? Where was that at?
I think it was like, I don't know, where was that? I think it was on the box. Where did that box go? It literally...
Where did that box go?
Don't use that zebra one. choose this brown one.
Why not the zebra one?
Because that's my mommy's. Sorry, you might have zoomed in. Guys, this is the most... It's not the most insane, but the way that it exploded, it never exploded that way before.
You did this before?
Yeah. And then the egg exploded.
Here.
That's usually how I used to make my hard-boiled eggs in the mic. The spinny thing broke.
This microwave is destroyed, dude.
You know how much
you
thing
put
this
so
went
much
through?
stuff in it?
You know how much thing that
You put Captain Crunch in the mic and it started smoking out the whole house.
Yeah.
Did you know I was gonna do that?
No!
Look at all that under there. It's disgusting.
That's from under cheese.
That's nasty, dude. Where's that washcloth?
I think I threw it away.
Did you really?
Yeah, I threw it away on accident.
You need to get all the way under that. Under the mic. Put it under there.
Oh,
That's disgusting.
you gotta unplug it, dude.
No, we don't.
You gotta lift it up.
Alright, I'll lift it up. Here.
Oh, bro, there's nothing but water under here. Well, egg stuff.
Here.
That's good. Oh, never mind. Ah, freak. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Ugh, there's a huge egg.
Egg?
Oh, yeah.
We gotta throw this away.
I'll throw it downstairs. I'm about to yak everywhere.
Yoy!
We need to clean out the mic more.
Hold on, I gotta do that.
All the paper towels are gone. Hey, no one did nothing, alright?
Dude, it's going on YouTube.
No, don't tell. Alicia and Dad.
Our microwave smells better.
Get all that out.
Bro, this is popcorn.
Let me make something new so it don't smell like that.
You wanna make popcorn?
Give your mom a smooch.
Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you guys wanna go. You guys can go check out.
We're gonna make another video if you like and subscribe.
Yeah, we're gonna make another video if you like and subscribe, but you guys gotta comment down below what we should put in the microwave next.
Potato.
A potato. You guys gotta comment down below to see what you guys want to put in the microwave next. And no, it cannot be one of our dogs or one of us. It could be a fish. Alright, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and bye!